Welcome to Factful Finance. Let me start with something that might surprise you. Did you know that 55% of Americans have less than $5,000 saved for retirement? That's a big gap when you think about the future. It's a wake-up call for sure, and it's exactly why today we're breaking down how you can achieve financial freedom by 2026 with a step-by-step, realistic plan. First things first, this is for educational purposes only. The products, apps, or strategies we discuss are not endorsements, and we always recommend consulting a professional for tailored advice. Now, let's dive right into it. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination, especially when you're working against a deadline like 2026. But don't worry, the steps we'll cover today will give you the tools, strategies, and insights you need to make this a reality. Step 1. Set clear, specific goals. Before you start thinking about numbers, let's clarify what financial freedom means for you. Is it retiring early? Paying off debt? Living without worrying about bills? It's crucial to define your freedom so you know what you're working toward. For example, let's say you're like Noah, a 29-year-old software developer, and your goal is to pay off $50,000 in student loans and have $200,000 in investments by 2026. Breaking that down into manageable milestones, such as saving $20,000 this year, makes it less overwhelming. Step 2. Create a bulletproof budget. Creating a budget is the backbone of financial freedom. This is where we put your goals into action. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a framework. 50% of your income should go to essentials like rent and groceries, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and investments. Take Benjamin, for example. He makes $60,000 annually and follows this rule. By allocating $12,000 each year to savings, he'll build a strong foundation toward his financial freedom goal. This is about knowing where every dollar goes so you can redirect it toward your future. Step 3. Maximize your income. If you want to speed up your journey to financial freedom, you need to earn more. It's not just about cutting expenses. It's about finding ways to increase your income. Consider side hustles, a higher-paying job, or passive income streams like dividends or rental income. Amelia, a marketing consultant, started freelancing on the side, which now brings in an additional $1,500 a month. That extra income has fast-tracked her debt payoff and investment goals. Step 4. Build a strong investment portfolio. Now, let's talk about money that works for you. To achieve financial freedom by 2026, you'll need to invest. Look at diversified portfolios, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, or real estate. Diversification reduces risk and allows you to capture gains across various sectors. Olivia, for example, invested in a mix of index funds and individual stocks. After 3 years, her portfolio has grown by 8% annually, outperforming her savings account by a wide margin. The key takeaway? Start early, be consistent, and use tools like robo-advisors or brokerage accounts to make it simple. Experts recommend investing at least 15% of your income in these vehicles. Step 5. Eliminate debt efficiently. Debt can be a huge barrier to financial freedom. If you have high-interest debt, like credit card debt, it's time to make a plan. Use the avalanche method. Pay off high-interest debt first to minimize the amount you're paying in interest. James had $10,000 in credit card debt and focused on paying it off with this method. In just 18 months, he was debt-free and could redirect those payments toward investments. If you don't have credit card debt, focus on student loans, car loans, or any other liabilities. Step 6. Create multiple income streams. No one achieves true financial freedom by relying on just one income stream. You need to create income from multiple sources. Whether it's from investments, side businesses, or rental properties, each new income stream builds more security. Let's look at Henry, who owns rental properties and also works a full-time job. His rental income covers his living expenses, allowing him to save and invest his full salary. This is what financial freedom looks like: earning money while you sleep. Step 7. Optimize your taxes. Tax efficiency is another key to financial freedom. This can be a bit technical, but stay with me. You need to take advantage of tax-deferred accounts like IRAs or 401ks and utilize tax-advantaged strategies like tax loss harvesting. Let's say Sophia invests in a taxable brokerage account. Through tax loss harvesting, she can sell losing investments to offset her taxable gains, reducing her tax liability. It's all about making your money work harder and smarter. Step 8. Plan for the unexpected. Life happens. Unexpected medical expenses, job loss, or market downturns can derail even the best-laid financial plans. This is why an emergency fund is essential. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up in a high-yield savings account or liquid investment. This gives you the peace of mind to focus on long-term goals without worrying about short-term setbacks. Isabella, for example, had an emergency fund that allowed her to weather a job loss without taking on more debt. Step 9. Track your progress regularly. Finally, you can't reach your goal if you don't track it. Make sure you're regularly reviewing your financial progress, at least every 3 to 6 months. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital can help you see how you're doing with your budget, investments, and savings. By staying on top of your goals, you can make adjustments when needed. Achieving financial freedom by 2026 is absolutely possible, but it requires discipline, strategic planning, and consistency. The sooner you start, the closer you'll get. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the first step you're going to take towards financial freedom? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video and want more actionable tips for your financial journey, why not subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on expert insights? We think you'll really enjoy the video we've linked on screen next. Trust me, it's packed with more tips to help you on your way to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.